Hi there, future scientists and math wizards. Welcome to Smile Road. I'm Sir M, and I created this channel just for you, senior high school students looking to make science and math easier, clearer, and yes, even more fun. On Smile Road, we explore exciting lessons in general science, solve real-life problems in general mathematics, and learn how these subjects connect to the world around us, from floating boats to your monthly budget. Each meeting, I'll guide you through lessons using simple explanations, real-life examples, and even a few challenges to keep your brain sharp. Whether you're reviewing for exams, catching up on class topics, or just curious about how the world works, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you won't miss any of our learning adventures here on Smile Road. So, are you ready to start this journey with me? Let's walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Our lifestyle number 2. The title is The Art and Science Behind Poland's Christmas Ornaments for the World. So these are the different artisans that are creating the different Christmas ornaments. And these are their finished products. And then this is how they hit every item that they produce. And then more examples of the Christmas ornaments. So our intended learning outcomes. At the end of this lesson, the learner should be able to explain how traditional craftsmanship and modern techniques work together in creating Christmas ornaments in Poland. Identify the materials and tools used in handcrafted glass ornament production. Describe the step-by-step process of turning a design idea into a finished ornament. Recognize the cultural and historical influences behind Polish Christmas decoration. Analyze the importance of handmade products in a global market dominated by mass production. Appreciate craftsmanship as a form of art, science, and cultural identity. Demonstrate awareness of how creative industries can support local economies and global trade. Introduction. Why Polish Christmas ornaments matter. Poland is known worldwide for producing some of the most beautifully crafted Christmas ornaments. These are not ordinary decorations made by machines, but carefully designed artworks shaped by hand. Every ornament reflects patience, skill, and creativity. What makes Poland special in this field is the combination of art, which focuses on design and beauty, and science, which deals with heat, glass behavior, and material properties. These ornaments are valued not only for decoration, but also as cultural objects that represent Polish tradition and craftsmanship. A heritage of craftsmanship. Ornament making in Poland is often a family tradition passed down from one generation to another. Many workshops started decades ago and are still operating today. Craft knowledge is not learned in one sitting. It takes years of training to shape molten glass properly, design creative forms, perfect hand painting, and decoration techniques. Older artisans train younger workers, keeping traditional knowledge alive. The science of shaping glass. Glass making is not just an art. It requires scientific understanding. Glass is heated at extremely high temperatures, soft and flexible when hot, hard and breakable when cooled. Artisans must control heat levels, cooling time, air pressure. If the temperature is wrong, the glass cracks. If blown too hard, the ornament becomes too thin. This shows how science controls the success of every product, from paper to product. How ornaments are designed. The process starts with a drawing or sketch from a designer or client. The creation process includes making a clay model, testing proportion, selecting materials, coloring and decorating, and then final inspection. Each ornament goes through quality control before it is sold. Materials beyond glass. Polish artisans don't rely only on glass. They also use resin for shape strength, wood for texture, crystals for brilliance, metal for structure. These materials are combined with glass to create strong and eye-catching designs. Polish culture in ornament design. Many ornaments reflects childhood memories, religious beliefs, holiday symbols, seasonal beauty. Some designs show symbols such as angels, stars, and animals. This reflects how decorations are a form of cultural expression. Handcrafted versus machine-made products. In today's world, most products are mass-produced and cheap. Handmade ornaments are more expensive, more valuable, more meaningful. Handcrafted items carry the skill of the maker, the story behind the product, and a sense of authenticity. Handcrafted versus machine-made products. In today's world, most products are mass-produced and cheap. Importance in the economy and global trade. Poland exports ornaments to many countries. This shows Small workshops can serve the world. Craft industries can support families. Culture can become a business. Creative industries create jobs while preserving tradition. Emotional value of handmade creation. Polished ornaments often bring feelings of nostalgia, joy, warm memories, celebration. Customers value not only the object but the feelings it brings. Key takeaways where art meets science. Polished Christmas ornaments teach us an important lesson. Beauty and precision can exist together. Art gives the design, science gives the structure, and culture gives meaning. This is why polished ornaments continue to shine around the world. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. See you in our next lesson. Bye-bye.